You know what? Some things just get better with age. We are going live in 6 days for celebration giveaways to share the joy. Fermented garlic is another thing that gets better. It takes a year. Clean and sanitize everything. Peel lots of garlic. Use raw honey. Fermented garlic has amazing medicinal health benefits. Fill empty jars loosely to allow the room for honey. Debubble and wipe the rims with vinegar. You'll store it in a dark place with a container underneath in case it bubbles over. Ferment 1 year. Voila! You have an amazing medicine that you made at home. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and blessings. And don't forget November 12th at noon with the everyday life of an OCD-ish chick going live. See you there.